have to have people I can count on. I have to have people I can count on in every situation I'm in, and I have to be the kind of person that they can count on. You know, it works both ways, okay? So when we were doing the pull-ups, they were counting on me not to let go and fall, okay? They were counting on me, and I was counting on them, we were counting on each other to make that happen. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've never done 65 pull-ups, all right? That was incredible, and I didn't think we could do that many. But I mean, did you see that they were throwing me up in the air? They were throwing me up in the air, all right? Yeah, it was a good effort there. We were getting encouragement from you guys. Everybody was being somebody that you could count on. The helicopter that I fly, if you put it in this gym, from right here all the way to that wall, it would barely fit. I got this huge helicopter that's this big. I'm really dependent on my crewmen. When the guys in the back, they're telling me, hey, sir, you got 2 feet on the left, 2 feet on the left. So 1 foot to the left, you got 1 foot on the left, 1 foot on the left. Okay, just go to the right. Now pedal to the left, nose to the left, toe to the right, nose to the left, toe to the right. Okay, we got thunderstorms coming in at 2 o'clock, so we got about 6 minutes to go. We got 6 minutes on the station, and then okay, I got 1,000 pounds of fuel, so I got about 30 minutes on the station. All right, so there's a lot of communication, a lot of teamwork going on. I'm counting on those guys to get the information I need. And I got a tail rotor in the back, it's another propeller spinning, and I might get 3 feet from a tree with that tail rotor. So you got no room, I really got to be dependent on those people to tell me where I'm at. Alright? You want to be somebody that people can count on. Everywhere you're at, in school, at home, everywhere you're at, you want to be somebody that people can count on. It makes you feel good, and it gives you joy in your life.
Can you do a chin more?
Is that good or bad? Ooh. That's a good point, though. It's a good one. Yeah, I like that way. You know, even I'm 31 years old, about to be 32. Still get made fun of. There's always going to be people that are hating on you. You know, that's a good one. You know, there's always certain people who they're not happy about their life, so they're going to make fun of other people, right? Never stops. Now, as you get a little bit older, you start to learn how to deal with it. You start to realize, you know what? I'm really not worried about that person making fun of me. You know, because that's not your focus. Your focus is your family, your friends. You know, what you're doing each day, giving 100% of your life each day, the things you're doing. That's your focus. I find myself maybe being mean to somebody, and I think, man, why did I do that? Why did I do that? I feel bad. And I'll try to do much better the next day. You know, it's
be honestly, assess the situation, decide what techniques we need to use to hold water, and then different techniques for different situations.
you decide, you know what, I got a lot of things to be thankful for. You know, yeah, I might not have done the very best I could today, but I got a lot of things to be thankful for, and I can still be very positive in my life. I got a lot of things to be happy about. That's what you got to think. Anytime I got something that kind of goes bad in my head, like, man, I got so many things to be positive about. I got so many things to be thankful for. You know, maybe my best friend, maybe my family, you know, somebody that I can count on. You know, I got a lot of things to be thankful for. Food on the table. You have people depending on others, okay? Every single one of these. You guys are paying attention right now, you might do a push-up in front of everybody and see what you're made of. So I want you to make a decision right now. I want you to decide right now to be somebody that others can count on. I want you to decide right now to be somebody that your teachers can count on, somebody that your friends can count on, somebody that your principal can count on, somebody that your mom and dad can count on, your friend, everybody, okay? I want you to make that decision right now. I know some